Looking to upgrade your 2014 or newer Toyota Highlander with a sleek double-din radio? The right dash kit makes all the difference. Imagine a clean, gapless installation that blends perfectly with your vehicle's interior. No awkward gaps, no last-minute tweaks. That's exactly what this double-din dash kit delivers, designed specifically for select Highlander models from 2014 and up. I've installed plenty of aftermarket stereos over the years, and the biggest headache usually comes from the dash kit. Many kits either don't fit quite right or require frustrating modifications. But this one? It's a different story. Crafted from high-grade ABS plastic with factory-matched texture, it fits precisely without any gaps. The quality is clear the moment you handle it: solid, well-made, and designed with exacting tolerances to match your Highlander's dashboard perfectly. What changes with this kit? You get a professional-looking upgrade that feels like it belongs in your vehicle. No more settling for ill-fitting parts that cheapen the look of your interior. Instead, you get a seamless integration that enhances both style and function. Plus, it's made right here in the USA, so you know the materials and craftsmanship meet high standards. If you're tired of struggling with poor-fitting dash kits or want to avoid the hassle of trimming and modifying parts, this double-din dash kit is worth a look. It's designed to make your installation straightforward and your final result clean and polished. Whether you're a seasoned installer or a DIY enthusiast, this kit simplifies the process and elevates your car's audio setup. Ready to give your Toyota Highlander a fresh, professional upgrade? Try this double-din dash kit when you're ready to install your new radio. It's the kind of quality and fit that makes a noticeable difference, and one you'll appreciate every time you step inside your vehicle.